Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to do a factory reset of your OPPO Reno 15. The first thing that we have to do is to open the settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down to the system and update. Tap backup and reset, reset phone, erase all data. Now here we need to enter our pattern or passcode. And here, as you can see, we have permanently clear data, battery time, eSIM profiles. I will tap clear data and clear. Now all the data which are stored on our device will be cleared, including photos, videos, contacts, everything. If you haven't backed it up, you won't have your data. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.